Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Koko Pimentel will move for the deletion of the Office of the Vice President's Confidential Fund. In today's Senate budget plenary debates, the senator questioned the 500 million peso confidential fund, noting that this could be better used for other agencies that are in need of additional funding. However, Senate Finance Committee Chairperson Sani Angara disagreed with this, saying that the Vice President and her office as an institution should be supported.
At the proper time, I will move for the deletion of the confidential funds for the Office of the Vice President. Kasi po, marami tayong natutunan last week . For example, si Phil Post. Dito nalala ko si Senator Tolentino po, ang chairman ng subcommittee. Phil Post needs, if I'm not mistaken, roughly the same amount. Not more than 500 million. So, and then, hindi po namin masolusyonan nung time na yon last week kung saan kukunin yung halaga to save Phil Post to reimburse Phil Post for the expenses on franking privileges. So yun po, marami tayong natutunan nalaman last week na nangangailangan po ng funding, and nandito naman po pala may mga confidential funds na pwede namang i-let go. Actually, ang position ko po, pagbasahin natin yung definition ng confidential funds, hindi nga justifiable. Cannot be justified to be lodged under the office of the Vice President.
I would not agree, Your Honor, because I think although PhilPost may have a need, I think maybe we should look for other sources and not prejudice the office of the Vice President. That's the second highest official of the land, who deserves support, our support. We should want her to succeed, irrespective of whether we agree or that person. It's the institution we're trying to uphold, Your Honor.
The Senate later on approved the OVP's its proposed 2.3 billion peso budget for next year. Despite this, Pimentel said he will move for the scrapping of the confidential fund of the OVP and the Office of the President during the period of adjustment.